डियर स्टूडेंट्स वेलकम टू ई स्कूल ऑनलाइन पिला माने तुम मानक पई म आज इंग्लिश रा गोटे एसे नहीं आसी छी एसेटी रही योर हॉबी तुमर हॉबी कौन तुम माने जानिथिबो हॉबी कौन तुम मानकू तुमर एवरीडे डे टू डे लाइफ रे जहाँ भी काम अच्छे तापर जो कामटी करिया पई बहुत भल लगे तुम से काम करिया पई सब इंटरेस्ट था और डेली बेसिस रे भी कर सेटा होची तुमर हॉबी। तो एबे आमे ए इंग्लिश रो एसे माई हॉबी रो एसेटी को देखिबा केमती एसेटी लिखा जाए। माई हॉबी इज टू कलेक्ट स्टाम्प्स। एठी स्टाम्प्स कलेक्शन रही हॉबी। जदि तुम मानकर जार सिंगिंग डांसिंग रीडिंग जहाँ भी हॉबी तुम मान लिखि पारिबो। Stamps are wonderful things. Some stamps bear the pictures of our national leaders like Gandhiji, Nehru, Subhash, Gopabandhu and Madhusudan. Some stamps show the pictures of great projects like Hirakud Dam, Dumduma and Balimela. Some of them show the great historical monuments like Qutub Minar, Taj Mahal and Delhi Gate, while others just present the natural scenery of hills, forests, lakes and valleys. To a common man they may not be interesting, but to a man of learning they speak much. When I was a small boy, I often watched father doing something at his table in the evening. I saw him fixing little stamps in his album and then writing something at the bottom of each stamp. On inquiry, he explained to me that he had collected those stamps from his office and was keeping them in his album in right place. He gave me to understand that collecting stamps is an interesting hobby which adds to our knowledge of history, geography, science and all. Every year, hundreds of new stamps are being produced in different countries of the world. If we can collect them and preserve them, then we are sure to know a great deal about those countries. So it is my father who first of all gave me the idea of stamp collection. Now it has become a hobby with me. Every afternoon I go to my village post office when the mail bags are opened and letters are delivered to people. I look to the envelopes of different people. If I find any new stamp, I request the owner of the letter to kindly allow me to remove the stamp of his envelope and to bring it. Very few people who know me refuse to grant my prayer, so I get the stamps at no cost. Father also brings me some stamps from his office. Now, therefore, I have a good number of stamps with me in my albums. Besides this, I have also another way of collecting stamps. I have a number of pen friends in and outside India. I write to them and they write to me often. Their letters to me bear the stamps of their own countries, which I get very easily. I also sometimes exchange the stamps of my country with those of other countries through my pen friends. Now I have 3 big albums all full of stamps. In my leisure time, I often open them and look at the stamps which speak volumes to me about the rise and fall of Germany, the birth of Pakistan, the journey of the first man to the moon and so on. I am happy with my hobby which is interesting and exciting. पिलाने जदि एसेटी हॉबी ऊपर योर हॉबी ऊपर एसेटी तुम मानकू किछि परिमाण हॉबी ऊपर लिखिबारे हेल्प करिथिबो। जत्ते संभव वीडियो को शेयर कर। चैनल जद भी के नुआ आसी सब्सक्राइब करिया भूलिबनी। मु एमती तुम माना पई आहुरी बहुत सिंपल लैंग्वेज रे इंग्लिश रो एसे एप्लिकेशन लेटर नहीं आसीबी चैनल माध्यम रे। मु देते सपोर्ट करिथिबारु तुमनको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।